Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here. We have a stock, completely factory stock TFL Zonda GT. Now this particular boat, we're running on 4S. There's a lot of videos on YouTube about this boat, and one of the biggest things that I see is no one is actually showing exactly what this boat can do in stock configuration. So to start and kick things off for you guys to see what a TFL does, we threw a 4S pack in per motor. So we got two 4S packs, and we're seeing exactly what kind of speed we can get out of this boat. Every time you hear insane amounts of RPM coming from these twin motors, you can bet that this thing is absolutely pinned here on 4S. Now what I want to say about this particular boat is that it is absolutely rock solid stable at this speed, although not the fastest thing that you'll see, but it shouldn't be considering we're on 2/3 of the available voltage that you can actually run on this boat. Anytime I, crank the steering left, right, it doesn't matter. This thing is very stable, and I even ran this thing when it was not as calm and rougher water, and you can still go as fast as you want on 4S, and it'll handle a pretty good size chop. Waves don't really affect it when you're only running 4S. So essentially what this means is it provides a really good stable platform for that sort of offshore type racing if you are willing to just run it on less power, achieving less speed. Here you can see we're achieving 66 kilometers per hour with this boat. Definitely not a rocket ship by any stretch of the imagination, but of course this is not what we would expect simply running this boat on 4S. Now stay tuned to it because we're gonna go and try this boat here on 6S, and then we're gonna move up, step up the props, and see exactly what we can get in time. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more videos similar to this, lots of cool things here that we're throwing up on the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in that next video. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next one.